Welcome to our next episode of our social events calendar for the month of June in Southwest Florida. First up, we have an event for children and families at the Galisono Children's Museum. Now, during the summer, it is open daily until August 9th. So you can come out, spark your curiosity, your imagination, play any day of the week. So enjoy hands-on fun, creative exploration, and unforgettable family moments where you build, create, climb, explore at Southwest Florida's favorite destination for kids and families. Next up, on June 6th and 7th, we have a really interesting event going on in Mercato. This is a pole vault in the Plaza. So really different kind of event where you have pole vaulting competition. You can see athletes and all ages come out, from kids, young adults, seniors, and everything in between. There you also get to enjoy concessions, outdoor games, all kind of sightseeing, and much more. So bring the whole family for this free event. Don't forget your sunscreen. It's getting hot out there. Next, we have the 14th annual Great Canoe Races of Naples. This is a really cool event, very unique. It is a free community event featuring live entertainment, a variety of vendors, a beer garden, and of course, the canoe races. This proudly supports our first responders and the Conservancy of Southwest Florida. So it's very cool, very fun. Come out, check it out. There's lots to see. Next, also on June 14th, we have the Wildlife Hospital Baby Shower. What a really cool event. So each spring, as days get longer and warming temperatures trigger breeding season for our native wildlife here in Southwest Florida, this results in a surge of young wild animals facing human-created dangers such as pet encounters, nest disturbance. So what they're doing is they're trying to get people to donate items that are needed to help the animals in the Wildlife Center. So each person who brings something from the Wildlife Wish List can choose either free admission for the day or a discounted family membership for the year. There's also going to be other prize giveaways and so forth. So come on out to this really cool event. You can check out the link to the site, and that will list the items needed for this drive. Then on June 21st, we have our Family Fun Day at NABOR, Naples Area Board of Realtors. So this is a really neat event for the community to come out. This will be from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's a free event for the entire community. It's a great way for you and your family to celebrate this summer. There'll be all kind of vendors, games, activities, including face painting, a bounce house with a slide, petting zoo, and video games to play. So there's also going to be complimentary food and drink and a chance to win prizes. So this is a really nice event, a good opportunity to come out, meet some of your neighbors, and kick off the summer. And then lastly, summer is here in Naples, Southwest Florida. So you know what that means. Our seasonal visitors are pretty much gone, and we have all kind of summer dining specials. So restaurants are not packed, and the restaurateurs are looking for some additional business. So check out our summer deals in the Summer Dining Guide. There's a link in our post, so be sure to check that out. So for great happy hours and prefix menu deals, early bird dinners, and so forth. Lots of fun stuff in there, even some brunches. So be sure to check it out. So there you have it, all of the events in June that we invite you to come and check out. Let the fun continue on for the summer months coming. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, subscribe for more local fun, and be sure to share this with people you know that might be interested in what's happening in Southwest Florida.